Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be unboxing my fall FabFitFun box, and this is $49.99 every 3 months, and I got this last year. I think my last one was last December, and I decided to take a break, so I didn't renew. I decided to renew again, and I pay for the year because I think it comes out to $42.99 every 3 months, so you save by doing it for a year. So anyways, I'm excited to get in here and see what I got. I did do 3 add-ons. That always got me last year too. I would always have to do add-ons. I would always see something that I wanted. So I got 3 add-ons, and I'm not sure how much they were, but they were on sale at a pretty good price. That's why I got them. And this is a hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and opened my add-ons, and this is a Herbal Dynamics Beauty Volumizing and Smoothing Rapid Lip Mask. And I thought this looked really cool. Oh, it smells kind of fruity. And then I got this is, anyways, these come in 2 different things, and it's nail polish. I got these 2 in a bundle, and it's Ish nail lacquer, and this color is Sunday Fun Day. And it's like a silver. And then this is called Happy Hour. And it's kind of a really dark purple. And then these 3 came in a bundle. And this is Shopping Spree, and it is a pretty like blue, and it has shimmer in it. And this one is called Girls Night Out. And it has shimmer in it, and it comes like a purplish, like maybe burgundy color. And then the last one here is Date Night, and it's a red. And I have never used this brand of nail polish before. So let's get into the box. And this is how it comes. And you get this and I think there is, yeah, there's 2 pages in here. and they tell you everything that you've got, and they give the prices too, and then they just have some other stuff that you can read through. Okay. I got an umbrella. I remember this is one of the things that you could customize. So I love florals. You could get this floral one or a white one with black polka dots. And of course I picked the floral one. I'm so excited. I love this color. Okay, and that is another thing with the being able to customize. I don't know if it's still like that, but I'm pretty sure that if you pay by the year, then you get to go on there and customize. But I'm not 100% sure about that. Okay, and I know I got to customize this. It's a ceramic and stainless steel teapot, and the brand is Alfred, and the brand of the umbrella was Catherine. I'm not sure how to say the last name, but there was something that I got to pick from, and they were out of the color or design that I would have wanted. We're already out of it, so. But I don't think it was this, because this I remember picking. It has flowers on it. And I thought this was so cute. That little teapot. Of course, I've never even had one of these. I've never even tried different kinds of teas. I just have my sweet tea, my Lipton sweet tea that I make a big pitcher. So I've never had just like little teas, but it's got this inside it. And I just thought this was cute. Even if nothing else, just to set in the kitchen for decoration. And let's see. There was something else that I picked too, but I cannot remember what it was. But this is Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser, olive leaf, plantago extract. And this is what it looks like. It comes in a tube, and I think I got to pick this. There was 3 things here to pick from. And I picked this, and it does say select members only. Want to pick exactly what you get next time? Upgrade to an annual plan and you can decide. So this was for select members, but the umbrella and stuff, it don't say for select members. It's just these down here. So I'm not sure about that. y'all let me know if you do pay every 3 months. Let me know if y'all got to pick, you know, which umbrella you wanted. You have to pick between a teapot and a coffee thing. So I'm not sure if everybody gets to do that, but I got to pick this. And here is okay, this was in every box. It's a Blue and Capri Skin and Company Roma. It's a shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom, the Italian collection. And this would be $22. I don't know if I said or not, but that little teapot thing would have been $26. And this, I got the Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. This would have been $49 for this. And this is, I think I said it's 22. And it's okay. It's not great of a smell. It's green. Okay, and then another thing that was in every box is this Hollywood, California Glam Glow Bubble Sheet. It's oxygenated deep cleanse mask. You get 2 of them. And it says $18. A 2-pack. It's $18. So, I'm excited to try these. Okay, and then a Luna Rica Cashew Butter Filled Fruit and Nut Bar. And they don't say how much that would be. Okay, and here is, this is another thing that I got to pick what I wanted. And I picked Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. And this would be $38. I've never tried anything from Pharmacy, I don't think. So I'm curious about this. Okay, and then we got a Simply Whimsical tea towels. And here is what they look like. And then we got the original Beauty Blender. And the Beauty Blender would be $20, and these tea towels would be $14.99. Okay, I believe this is the last thing. And what is this? Oh, this was the Vince Camuto Luxe Coat in Black or Red Desert. Camuto, I hope I'm saying that right. But you could have picked this bag or Crown brushes. And this bag is $128. And the brushes, the value of them was $75. So I got this tote. And I picked the black. So here it is. It's a really strong smell to it. I mean, it's nice, but $128, I wouldn't see that it would be worth that. It has no close. You can't close it. It does have a little pocket in here. It's like your cell phone would fit perfect in that pocket, but there it is. And that is all of my fall FabFitFun. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I thank y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.